Hello guys, welcome back to a Pentest Club. Today we're going to discuss about file upload vulnerabilities. So, what is a file upload vulnerabilities? File upload vulnerabilities are when a web server allows a user to upload a files. It's a file system without sufficiently validating things like their names, type, content of size, or etc. things. So, we would like to do this one. So, what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. Now, we would like to do here is first open the terminal. Now you just type sudo su, enter your password, then you just type net discover minus I is 0. So first we would like to identify our target machine. So it's take a bit lengthy time here. Now I have identified my target machine. So I just quit now. You just type nmap minus 34 minus s unaggressive scan and enter your targeted IP address. So now let's wait here. We would like to identify our target. We get the nmap result. So I got the nmap result. One is available with SSH, another one is available with Apache. So we would like to walk to this Apache server. Let's see here. Now open the Firefox. Now enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.136. So here you can see a George image uploader. Only selected a file. So now first I would like to do with the directory buster. First we would like to go with the directory buster HTTP. Enter your targeted IP address 18.136. Then I would like to also go with the NICTO. Once we go with the NICTO HTTP, enter your targeted IP address 18.136. So JavaScript PHP my admin, that's it here. So there is nothing else we would like to look here. So I just quit now here. Now I would like to get as a PHP with extensions. So let's see here. What else we can get as PHP extensions. So it may also take a while to get all the results here. So now let's see here. So here I got one is only with uploader.php, that's it. Now we would like to look this uploader.php. So just paste it here. So upload failed. Here is some more debugging info in the array. So we would like to look the pesos. Okay, nothing else. Now let's come back here. Now I would like to open this one in the new link tab. Now once it's go here, I would like to open a new link tab. So where I have got all those things here. Now I would like to upload using a PHP reversion one by one. So we have only a three tasks. So for three tasks also as uploader.php. Now I just put as here as uploads. Then let's we try. It's not found. Maybe it's maybe uploads one. Yes. Once we would like to look uploads two. Yes, it's maybe coming. So we just need to guess manually this one. So we just try as uploads 3. Yes. So where you have got all these uploads here. So first, let's walk to the PHP browser. Just open this, come back here. So before that, I would like to look here. Let's come back here. So just type here. So just type ipconfig. This is 116. You just type mospet rshell.php. So I already have a reverse shell. So look here where I have by port everything is clear. So I just let it be. You just type netcat minus lvnp 7890. That's it. Now if you'd like to upload our reverse shell, then try to upload. So rshell application with xphp tab size which was uploaded here. Now file valid and was successfully uploaded. Here is some of the debugging info array. So where we have got it as uploader.php up file. Now we would like to look here is 1. Here I have rshell.php. So where I have successfully uploaded and I have set up the netcat list now. Now let me I just type here. Now I have successfully connected here. So you just type ID, you got it here. So just type who am I, you got it. Now just type here as which Python, you got it here. So just type Python -c import pdy span bin bash. You just type list minus here. That's it, nothing else here. cd home, oh sorry, cd home list minus here, cd user list minus here. That's it. So we no need to get any type of root release access for this. So there is no any type of things here. That's it. So come back here. cd root. So that does not require. So just close this. So just type here also. So where we have seen all those things here. Now we would like to walk to this second one. So our first task is completed. Now our second task is we need to upload George image uploader. Okay, so we need to upload image. So for image upload, so I would like to put as copy rshell.php to rshell.php.jpeg. That's better. Now you just type list. So here I have rshell.jpeg. Now let me I just upload here as rshell.jpeg. Now you just need to set up as netcat lvnp 7890. That's it. Now just upload a image. File not is not an image. Sorry, your file was not uploaded. Okay, so I tried to bypass this one through a bub suit. So just come back here. You just use a bub suit for this. So let it open this bub suit. So I have made a mistake here. It's not, so just put here, so just type here. Now just type a mousepad arshell.php jpeg, let it open. So here I need to add a GIF 98. I think so. We need to add this GIF 98. So GIF 89A, that's it, 89A. So then you just save this, then you just close this. Now just type here as netcat lvnp 7890. Now again walk to this second one, go back here, try to upload as reversion.jpg. Now upload the image. Success. Image a GIF. The file arshell.php.jpg has been uploaded. So we don't need to worry about to go and remodify this one all. So that's why without a bob sort. Now we would like to come back here. So we just try to refresh this one. So I already have here reversal.jpg. Now once you come back here, so I have set up the catalyst now. So just click on this. So there I have successfully get the reversal here. So just type ID, we got it here. So just type which Python, you got it here. So just type a normal way, Python -c, import pdy spare bin bash. That's it. Let's do this here. So there is no need required further move things, anything else. So just close this. So I don't need a bob suit again. So there I have completed this one. So I just close here. So now the last task is number 3 here. Netcat lvnp 7890. That's it. So now we would like to go here as we need to upload with the same as extension. So now let's come back here. So we have get the second one also. Now we would like to go for a third one. Third one we have. Now we would like to upload here. Okay. So click the white box to upload. So just I have got here. So you just click on upload it. So your file has successfully uploaded. Your file name is arshell.php.jpg, image or jpg, file size is 5 kilobyte. It was saved in the temp of php above. So uploads 3 reversal.php. So where I have got my reversal here. So if you can refresh here, I have got uploaded here successfully. So now if you would like to click on this. Now we have got the reversal successfully. Just type ID, we got it here. So just type here again which Python, you got it here. That's it. So this you can do the file upload vulnerabilities. So it's a file upload vulnerabilities is safe or not. So insecure a file upload method such as like email attachments or file transfer protocol, maybe a FTP, can open your system to a malware ransomware as infections or other harmful events such as like attacks or infrastructures or that allows a bad actors to gain a control of the user devices also. That's it. So this is how you can do a penetrate or you are using through a Pentestmonkey of reversal. That's it. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.